Let's now create a basic table. So the simplest way to do it is by using the tabular environment, and this is what you get. So this is a very basic environment. Let's do Control S and see what we get. So it looks like this. Not really meaningful here, yeah? Let's just put something inside it. I already have some information to put there, and it is a comparison between Tech and Latex. So Tech is the core of the engine that runs the commands and converts them to the PDF and other formats. LaTeX is a set of macros. Think of them as high level commands, for example, that make your life easy when formatting the document. So I created a sample table. Let's compile it first and then have a look at what its content is. Oops, there's an error. What is the error? There's a missing new line here. Yeah, okay, fixed it. So this is how it looks like. You have Tech versus LaTeX, the name of the person who created it, name of the other person here, and this is the current version of Tech, and this is the version of LaTeX. Okay, 2E. Okay, so you note that there's a nice formatting for Tech and LaTeX by using their respective commands. Okay, but you feel that there is a missing column here, the column that tells us what these rows mean. So let's add an extra column. C doesn't stand for column, by the way, it stands for centering. So yeah, let me create a column that has left position. And left here means, it does not mean that it's the column that's on the left. It means that the text inside it will not be centered and it will be sent to the left side. So I will write here software. Ampersand is how you you say that this is another cell, next column. Okay, so software, next column has Tech, next column has LaTeX. Then here name or creator, and then I will have here ampersand to mean next column is Donald Knuth, next column is Leslie Lampert, and then here current version. Let's compile again, and we have what we were expecting. So these things here mean new line, as I told you before, and you need to add them so LaTeX knows that now you are working on the next row in the table. Yeah, otherwise it will not know it and it will think you are still in the same column, get the same row. Yeah, so we need to have this here. So we have it for the first one, second one, last one, you don't need it. Let's say that I want to have a horizontal line between, to make like a better formatting of the table. So make Tech and LaTeX headings, for example. So I will add here edge line, horizontal line, and it looks a bit better, right? Okay, now this here doesn't have really a caption, doesn't have, you cannot create a list of tables using this. I don't know if there's a sophisticated way actually to do it. I never did it. I've never done it before, but I'm assuming there isn't. And actually tabular is like the include graphics here. Yeah, so it's the most basic form of the thing. Here it was figures, and here it's a table, but there is a better environment or more sophisticated environment that has more features. Here it is figure, and in the case of tables it's the environment called table. So let's create one of those. I'll put it here, begin and table, and you see here we have a tabular that comes with the table, so we'll just override it with ours. Yeah, so let's remove this one, put this one here. Okay, compile again. You see the spacing will become better. Here you go. Yeah, this is better. Now we have a better formatting. It looks more professional, right? And now you're experts and you probably already know what the centering means. So now it means we're centering the table. And the caption here is what we want this table to be. So I'll say take versus LaTeX. Here you go. And the label, I will call it Tech versus LaTeX. I think LaTeX should be pronounced LaTeX or something like that. I'm not sure about it, but like Loch Ness, as Wikipedia page says, but I never heard anyone pronouncing it that way. So anyway, we have now table that has a label, but we haven't referenced it yet. So let's say here table ref, same as in figures, ref compares tech to LaTeX. No need to bother and write the comments here. Here you go. We have it here. Table 1 compares tech to LaTeX. Yeah, so that's it for basic options of the table. Yeah, I might do further videos where I discuss more advanced topics related to tables as well as figures.